All right, Sean. Today we're putting these doors back on this car. I've sanded and buffed it for the first time, so they look pretty good. Let's give me a hand with this door. We'll set it up. Grab that side. Over it. Okay, you got it. What? It's off balance. Bring it towards me a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Okay. Let's go on the other side. Put this last bolt on. Hmm. I, I, the hinge got to go like this. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? Let me come outside. Yeah. Jeez. It's crazy. You know what? Here, let's open the door a little bit more. Okay, that should do it right there. That should do it. How's that? Cool. That's good to start with. Let's just leave it there. Yeah. By the time you put the inside of the door together, it'll probably drop it down more anyway. But until I get the latches and the strikers in there, it's good enough for now. Okay. Okay, go back. Sure is exciting putting stuff back on this car. Put it that way. All right. Top's got to go way in, looks like, but all right. I'm gonna grab the right back of the door. So we're going to same thing as the other side. So we're going to sand this few panels here around the trunk. I'm going to put the trunk lid on. I want to get this done before we put the trunk lid on there. It's just easier and cleaner. So I'm sanding this with some 1000 grit, wet or dry. Now, some guys might tell you that's too coarse, but I like to use 1000 instead of a 2000 because it gets me where I want to go faster than the 2000 does. So take your squeegee. This way you can see if there's any debris in the paint so you can sand it. Step back, eyeball it, and get some more orange peel out of here. Let's put this trunk lid on, Sean. Yeah. Over. Yes, we have. Yeah. Roll it back. You know, once you put the gasket in here, everything changes too.
Mm-hmm.
Put the striker in here now. 2 alignment holes.
There you go.
What do you think, Sean?
Here we go.
There it is. Perfect.
Looks good. Oh yeah. Look at them gaps.
Oh man, so happy. It's nice to be putting stuff on this car instead of taking it off.
Right, no kidding. Yeah, it looks good too.